So I want to show you how to do the caning. What are we going to call this? I don't know, the X weave on top of this. And I'll zoom in here so you can see the kind of bottom ones here, what they look like. And I'll do a row so you can see how it works. You need to have some kind of a weave right tool for this. Okay, so I'm going to start. And this, the way this one's laid out, it's always going to be underneath the green stakes. Now, if you started off with your stakes being on top with your purple, then it would be underneath them. But in this basket, the way I've wove it, it's going to be underneath all the greens. So I'm going to open up that, and I'm going to come diagonally down. And pick up the one under that 3/16 variegated piece there. So if you look, we've got a bigger piece and a smaller piece, a bigger piece and a smaller piece, a bigger piece and a smaller piece. So you're actually going on top of that small piece that is over, and you are going under. So if you just remember that the way this is laid out, you are going to go under every one of the greens, okay? So that's the first part. So I can grab another piece here. And the second part, cut that off because it has a little piece of it. Didn't take the dye real well. So I'm going to go underneath this one, and then that's my X. So your X's occur in between your stakes. And once again, remember that they're always underneath the green. Okay? So when you get around the corner here, it's easy to get confused, but if you remember that you always go underneath the green, you'll be all set. Okay, so I started with this one, so I'm going to do this one. Always go underneath the green, even though that's kind of big. I'm still going to go underneath the green, and you don't want to twist it. So it's good to slide it through there. And you can do a couple if you want. Just be careful that it doesn't get twisted. And I'm choosing on this one to use the outside of the cane, or the shiny side. You may want to do the inside, and there is no correct way to do it. So I think I just screwed up. I did. Paste it. Pay attention. So take that one out. No, I didn't. Just didn't pull it through. All right, so you get the general idea. I see, actually I screwed up back here. You're gonna screw up, be consistently. So you can see that I'm not the only one, or you may not be the only one that messes up. This one goes down. So if it was up before, it comes down. And if it's down, then it goes up. That's how you get your X. Okay. And you don't have to do these, you know, like do one and then do the other one. To make the X, you can just do one and then follow it with a second one. I'm just doing it so that you can see how it works. Okay, so this one's going to go up and that one's going to go down. You have that lovely variegated on variegated. How cool is that?